Asa ko kami supyo?
Beli ba tayo?
Asa ko dito supyo?
Beli ba tayo? Handshake. This is your friend. Say hi. She's so excited. Whenever she sees her, you know, Carmelo. How old is he? 1.5. 2 months.
1 and 2.
1 and 1 month.
1 and 1 month. Yeah, not in reaching 2 months.
Wow. And she can walk very
No,
She
nicely.
can walk. Yeah.
He's 1 and 6.
1 and 6. Okay. It's a boy, na?
Boy, yeah.
It's a girl.
She's a girl.
Yeah. Very nice.
Hug? Baby hug?
Yeah, such
Very friendly.
Yeah, very friendly. And then, you know, she's always looking for
Yeah, friends.
friends.
He's
And
very
whenever
shy.
she sees her friends, always finding them.
He's also like that. He was like, baby.
Yeah.
Go. Ay! No.
It's okay, it's okay.
No. Oh, tut.
Enjoy. Say no.
No, tut.
He's a little shy.
But my baby, she doesn't have any shyness.
Ayun! No! Ayun!
Gently.
No! Don't do that! No!
He will also do the same.
No! Dali yung veo, mi aga abo ko di. Veo tunggu ang veo.
No space.
Veo.
Inchong. So, handshake.
No, kita mi mo azihab.